But in 3 years, in 36 months, this is what it's going to get. 3,013. Now let's multiply, please. Somebody should bring that calculator. Let's do that. Now, how much is it costing you to get this? First of all, you need to know that. It's costing you 9,951 what? Euro to get that package. And like I told you, this is actually the value of that package, not the €5. So even if Platicon does not move from this €5 to €10, is assuming you want to sell, are you in profit or not? So let's find out if you're in profit or not with this number of coins that you are getting, 3,013 PLC. Now help me multiply 3,013 PLC multiplied by €5. Someone will calculate to them, please.
15,065.
15,065. 065. Jesus Christ! I never even is this big. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Mafido. I just knew that this is what is happening, but I never even tried it. So imagine that. Sorry. Imagine Platicon does not even move from where it is in the €5 that you know we're already selling. That's going to be on the debit card. It doesn't even move to €10. And you wait in the next 3 years, at least like somebody who bought a landed property, you would have been making over, how much is that now? Over 6,000. That's okay, let's even call it 5,000. Just about €5,000. Just for, and you are not paying utility bill, you are not paying anything, it's just your normal data which you must do to maintain your phone. And you have this on top. So imagine when Platicon becomes €10, which I just told you is going to happen any moment from now. We cannot say this is the month. But this 2020, it must be €10. You can quote me on that. Because already 99%, it will soon break. And before I forget, I hope you know even Bitcoin is about halving.
Yeah.
So for those who are senior men in this place, start gathering your Bitcoin small. Don't eat all your Bitcoin. Because it has been proven to us, anytime halving happens, Bitcoin goes up.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you so many times, about 3 weeks now, I'll be saving my Bitcoin small. See, when it was €7,000, now it's €9,300. So after halving in May, it's coming in May, Bitcoin is going to go up. And who knows, it might hit the $20,000 once again.
Yeah, that's the projection.
Don't waste your Bitcoin. If you don't know how to be investing 150, be keeping them now. You have heard from the mouth of who? Ambassador Light. Alright, so that's just for that. Now, this is the mathematics. Imagine when it's €10 times this, we're talking about €30,000. You can't, even if you buy the land in Banana Island, it will not increase like this. So don't miss this thing. We are not telling you something theory. We are showing something that is already working. We are already using. I've sold Platicon for over 500 Platicon this year, this January low. Every banner said already. So it's something that's already in use.